Hey friends, welcome back to another Canva tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add photo in Canva. So as you can see, I have a design right here. Let's say I want to add a photo in Canva. On the left hand side, click on upload, and here you want to ensure that you click on images. Now, before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Here you'll find all the images that you uploaded, and if you want to upload a new image, just simply click on upload files, and you want to go ahead and find that picture that you want to upload. So let's say I want to upload, let me find a picture, maybe a picture of myself or a design. I'm going to click on this one, click on upload, and you will see that I upload the image. Alternatively, if you have your file explorer open, you can always drag and drop it. It's going to also allow you to upload right here in Canva. And once you're ready, just simply add that picture to wherever you want, for example, and that's pretty much it, guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.